Hello and welcome back to Thomas Talks, and today I'm going to be showing you my very first Louis Vuitton Silk Square purchase, so stay tuned for this video. So my Silk Square came in this very large bag. It's probably one of the ones you actually use when you get kind of a small handbag. As you can see, it is the classic Louis Vuitton orange with the blue handles. We've got the embossed Louis Vuitton in black across the front there. A little receipt that just opens up and nothing too exciting there. I didn't get any perfume samples in this particular bag, but it's always quite handy just to pop into the shop and see what you can pick up. As you can see here, we've got a nice large square. We've got the little white ribbon. Again, we've got the Louis Vuitton embossed onto the ribbon in gold. We've got a little pouch here that allows you to write a wee message about with blank paper, so if you're going with a loved one or a friend, you can write a wee message in there. This is like a large tray, which is quite cool. So we'll open this up. Louis Vuitton sticker there, a little bit of tissue paper. Get out the packaging. As you can see, it's pretty fine. Can you guess what it is yet? So I'm going to open this up. You can see you've got a little square. And that opens up again. So this is the Louis Vuitton The World Is Yours square in turquoise. As you can see down on the left hand side here, we've got the Eiffel Tower made out of trunks and bags, referencing the Spring Summer 2019 collection. It also has sites such as St Basil's Cathedral and Mount Fuji. Down on the right hand side, we can also see we've got the gondola, we've got a little classic car in the middle, and there's just so much to take in. I loved how bright and colourful this print was. As you can see, we've got the Statue of Liberty up on the right hand side. We've also got a really classic old plane up here, and in the middle, got all these bright colours, and you can see the trunks on top of the car, and even the detail on the trunks that make up the Eiffel Tower. I've got the Louis Vuitton print, the Louis Vuitton name engraved into the handle. And all in all, it's quite a fun, quirky piece. So the size of this silk square is 35.4 inches by 35.4 inches. It is 100% silk, and there's apparently 27 screens used to make this large silk square. I just wanted to show you something a bit different. My ideal plan for this is to get it actually framed and put up on my bedroom wall, just to make it a bit of an art piece. However, I thought I'd show you guys before to get all that process done. So I just want to say thanks very much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my Silk Square video. It's my very first Louis Vuitton Silk Square actually. And as I said, my goal is to get this framed, put up in the bedroom. And I'll probably show you guys what it looks like once it's all done. It'll take about a couple of weeks to get that framed. Just going to get the framers opens next week. So I'll need to go drop it off then. So thanks for watching, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, comment below your favourite maybe part of the print or any future videos you'd like me to create, and your thoughts on the pieces as well coming out in 2020. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video.